little milk so that lumps will not form. Make a semi-thick batter. Now we will add little milk to it. We will make little thin. Our batter is ready. This is my favorite cheese. We will add it to pizza. Now I will tell to Mama to make pancakes.
Just toss these vegetables in little butter. I have added a pinch of oregano and a pinch of salt. See, this is done. We will just take it out. We don't have to overcook it. We will just pour this batter. And let it cook until the edges get dry. Now we'll turn the side. And allow it to cook from another side. See, this is done from both the sides. We'll just take it out. We'll put on another pancake. Side.
My mom had made two pancakes. One big, one small. The small one we will eat with chocolate syrup. Now we will add chocolate syrup. Now add some chili flakes, some black pepper, some oregano, put some cheese. Pizza pancake topping is ready. Now we will cook in Tawa on the gas.
Now we have kept it on the tawa. Let it cook, the cheese melt, and our pizza pancake is ready.
The cheese